Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you DSpace 10 custom theme development and UI implementation with fully professionally. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. First, I will show you my DSpace and the version 10. So it is latest version as well. More things. Angular 20 as well. I can see 21 as well. So back to demo. See, I have created the custom template in DSpace for my clients. See, I am working on it. See, beautiful, all the stuff, they're perfect, and I'm doing customization so you can see some odd feature as well. See, this is myself and this is all these. I will also modify it as well. So back to top, and also I have created few pages like the about us page I have done, and also I will do the lot of stuff in this page. So friends, if you will have any kind of query session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via the wonderful, beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, Upwork ID as well. I am full-time freelance. You can hire me for your services as well. And see the beautiful DSpace demo, the customer theme, and I can do anything in DSpace, Angular, React, Next.js. You can hire me for your services, clients, and feel free to reach me anytime. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Good night.